hefty 7x14 3-station mobile restroom trailer featuring a men's, unisex, and women's. Let's take a look inside. We're in the men's side of the 3-station 7x14 mobile restroom trailer. It features a nice big vanity, sink, waterless urinal, and pedal flush toilet. In the unisex stall, it features a nice big vanity again, single sink, and pedal flush toilet. And finally, in the women's stall, it features the biggest vanity, plenty of room for getting ready in here if that's what you're doing, sink and pedal flush toilet. So once you're unhooked from the truck, you're going to want to level it up, and to do that, you just pull these pins, rotate your leveling jacks down, reinsert the pin, and then crank these until they're on the ground and you level up the unit. So to lower the steps and get this set up, you're going to undo the travel latch here, which keeps the steps locked and in the upright position. There's one on each side, and you just loosen this turnbuckle here in the center and let that hang down. Now if you need to make adjustments on the legs, you can come right down here and pull this pin, and this will slide in and out until you find your level. Once your step is set up, you're going to flip your handrail out just by lifting and swinging down. It'll drop into position. Then you can go ahead and tighten up your thumb screws. Back at the service closet, we've got two electrical connections, 120 volt, 30 amp. Simply take your cord and you can insert that, twist, and then tighten it down. Once you've done that, you can flip on your lights. You've got your electrical service located in here with your breakers for your AC, your converter, and your 6-gallon water heater. Your water connections are down here, freshwater connection and city water connection. You can use that to fill your 105-gallon onboard freshwater tank. And once you do that, you've got a nice pump and bladder tank in here to help maintain pressure.